Hello students, I think this nitrogen cycle and nitrogen fixation is not clear to you, so I'll explain it again in a very simple manner by using this nitrogen cycle diagram which you can see here. So first of all we'll start from atmospheric nitrogen. So we know that in our atmosphere we have 78% of nitrogen, but this nitrogen cannot be utilized or used directly, so it has to be fixed. And plants basically there are different microorganisms which fix the nitrogen into the soil, and from where the plants take up this nitrogen. So, and other than that, you have this lightning process. So in lightning process, what happens? Lightning breaks the bonds between the nitrogen. There are triple bonds here which breaks up, and then this free nitrogen reacts with the oxygen present in the atmosphere to form a simpler form of nitrogen that again gets absorbed by the plants. Okay, so this atmospheric nitrogen is taken up by the leguminous plants. First we'll talk about the leguminous plants. So these leguminous plants have the capability to absorb nitrogen, and this is done by the rhizobium bacteria which is already present in the soil. This forms the root nodules here on the leguminous plants and helps in fixing the nitrogen. So this converts into ammonia. But not all plants are leguminous plants, right? So there are other bacteria, and blue-green algae, which is also known as cyanobacteria, helps in fixing the nitrogen for other plants, and then that is converted into ammonia here. That is ammonia, ammonium, or its compounds. Okay, now you also have a doubt in ammonification. So what is ammonification? So there are dead animal and plants and their products. They contain proteins, and we should know that protein consists of amino acids, and these amino acids are composed of nitrogen. So anyhow nitrogen is important for us, for plants, for animals, for everyone, right? So these dead animals and plants gets decomposed by the decomposers, and then that the protein converts into ammonia, and this process is known as ammonification, right? I hope I am clear here. Now what happens? This ammonia converts into more simpler forms so that plants can easily absorb them. So first ammonia converts into nitrites with the help of the bacteria known as Nitrosomonas, and then this nitrite again breaks down into more simpler form called nitrate, which is done by the bacteria Nitrobacter. Nitrate is the most simpler form, and plants absorb this form. So nitrates gets absorbed by the plants. Again this cycle continues, right? And this process where ammonia converts into nitrate is known as nitrification, as I have written here, conversion of ammonia into nitrates. Now next is denitrification. Denitrification can be broken down into two words, that is de and nitrification, right? So de means removal or release. So whatever nitrogen is fixed through this cycle released again into the atmosphere, and this is basically done by the bacteria known as Pseudomonas, right? So I have written here conversion and reduction of nitrates into nitrogen gas carried out by Pseudomonas bacteria. So whatever nitrogen is fixed within the soil for the plants again released into the atmosphere, and thus this cycle continues, and this complete cycle is known as nitrogen cycle. Thank you.